welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use TikTok Effect House to create your own filter. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use TikTok's Effect House to create your own filter, simply go to TikTok Effect House and download it on your desktop. Once you download it on your desktop, all you gotta do is simply get started with it. You need to log in and simply on the Effect House home screen, click on Create Project to begin. Once you have done this, you can simply choose a method. You can create an effect from scratch or use any one of the many templates to get started quickly. After this, you can also add filter component and navigate to post effect. Then tap on filters and customize the filter yourself. You can simply customize the intensity, color correction, and simply add effect as well. So this is how you can simply create your own filter on TikTok Effect House. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We are going to be back again with more informative and interesting videos like this. So stay tuned for our next video.